Only beginners get this wrong. What will this Python program print? Don't guess, think critically and write your answer in comment. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how if statement works in Python programming language. In a simple word, if statement evaluates condition by checking whether expression is true or false. If condition is true, the block of code inside the if statement is executed. If condition is false, the block of code inside the if statement is skipped. So without spending more time, let me show you with an example how if statement works. Yes, first thing to do here is just to make variable initialization. For example, let us initialize a to 5. Let us a equal to 5. Then here we need to set condition. Alright, if our a is greater to 0, in this case we say that our a is positive. That's why we print a is positive, like this one, in double quotes, like this one. A is positive, like this one. Do you see? So what you can do here is just to run our program. And the main parts of this if statement is keyword if, then condition, don't miss 2 dots here, then you print statement. This statement will be executed if and only if this condition is true, otherwise will be skipped. So let us learn to check for an output. What you need to do is just to save and then click on run icon here. Wait a little bit. Do you see? Our a is positive. This is our output. I think is clear now. So this is how if statement works in Python program. If you have any question or idea, please let me know in the comment section. And please don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues. And remember to open the bell so that whenever we upload a new lesson, you will get a notification immediately. So see you in the next lesson, where we will see how if else statement works and how is differ from this if statement. So see you in that lesson.